235 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 3rd November. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 3rd November, 239 people recovered in last 24 hours. 2 new deaths reported on 3rd November. Total confirmed cases in the states are 44,189. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,209. Total recovered cases stands at 41,362. Total 618 deaths are reported till 3rd November. Goa's recovery rate is 93.60%. Total samples tested till 3rd November are 3,04,544. Breakup of total 2,209 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CSC Picholim 55, CSC Sakre 75, CSC Parnam 45, CSC Valpai 47, Urban Health Center USC Mapsa 91, USC Panji 139, Primary Health Center PSC Aldona 42, PSC Petki 45, PSC Kandolim 106, PSC Kansarvarnam 13, PSC Korwai 112, PSC Kolim 110, PSC Chimbal 147, PSC Sholim 86, PSC Porvorim 106, PSC Mayam 12, Travelers by road flight train 0. South Goa Community Health Center CSC Kurchorim 26, CSC Kankona 34, Urban Health Center USC Marka 197, USC Vasco 119, Primary Health Center PSC Pali 35, PSC Kansalim 48, PSC Chinchanim 25, PSC Kortalim 77, PSC Kurturim 57, PSC Lutolim 31, PSC Marsam 34, PSC Kappam 36, PSC Sangam 17, PSC Shiroda 26, PSC Darbandara 342, PSC Ponda 127, PSC Navilim 47. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 3rd November are as follows. District North total capacity 275, current vacancy 191. District South total capacity 352, current vacancy 301. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.